In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin website on Google Chrome. Pinning a tab is a simple way to keep your most important sites just a click away. When a tab is pinned, it shrinks down to show only the site's icon, anchors itself to the far left of your tab bar, and stays put so you don't accidentally close it while you work. It's perfect for pages you use all day, like your email, calendar, or search. Let's start by opening Google Chrome and heading to google.com. Using Google here is just a clear example, but this works the same way for any website you want to keep handy. Make sure the page has fully loaded so its icon appears on the tab at the top of the window. Now move your mouse to the tab itself at the top. Right-click on the tab to open the context menu. If you're on a Mac and don't have a right mouse button, you can Control-click the tab or use a two-finger click on your trackpad. This brings up a small menu with options that affect just that tab. From that menu, click Pin. The moment you do, you'll see the tab jump to the left side of the tab bar and shrink down to just the site's favicon. That's your visual confirmation that the website is now pinned. It won't show the page title anymore, so if you ever need to confirm which site it is, just hover your mouse over the icon to see the tooltip. Pinned tabs are designed to stay in place and are harder to close by accident because they don't have a visible close button. If you use Chrome setting to continue where you left off, pinned tabs will reopen with your browser, making them a reliable home base each day. A couple of quick tips to make pinning even more useful. You can drag pinned tabs left or right to reorder them within the pinned area, which is helpful if you keep several sites pinned. Pinned tabs are specific to each Chrome window, so if you open a new window, you won't see them there unless you pin them again in that window. And if you ever want to unpin or close a pinned tab, just right-click the icon again and choose Unpin or Close. Unpinning returns it to a normal tab with the full title, and then you can move or close it as usual. That's all it takes. By pinning your key websites, you keep your workspace tidy and your most used pages one click away, saving you time and preventing accidental tab closures. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more organized Chrome.